So today we're going to be unboxing and installing one of these EV chargers for this Lucid Air vehicle over here. And these Anchor X1 batteries will be backing up and able to charge an electric vehicle during an outage. So it'll be a fun little install today. This is the Lucid charger. So let's go ahead and get this up. So guys, this Lucid charger is going to be a maximum 80 amps continuous. So what we're going to do is put a 100 amp breaker right here on this one. Our first Lucid EV charger install. These are actually stronger than the Tesla wall connectors. I think those only charge at 48 amps. These are pulling a full 80 amps continuous. So pretty nice. We're excited to install the Lucid. We're going to go ahead and plug it in now.
That's our first one, number one.